Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many users face when dealing with their device's issue of forgetting their password. We've all been there at some point, right? It can be quite frustrating to be locked out of your own device, unable to access your important files and data. But fear not, because in this video, we have the perfect solution to help you out of this password predicament. Now let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. The key to resolving a forgotten password situation is to utilize the password reset feature provided by your device. By following the simple steps of initiating a password reset, you can regain access to your device in no time. It's a straightforward solution that can save you from a lot of unnecessary stress and worry. So, next time you find yourself stuck in a password conundrum, remember to take advantage of the password reset option. In summary, dealing with a forgotten password can be a real headache, but fret not, because there's always a solution at hand. By using the password reset feature available on your device, you can quickly and easily regain access without any hassle. I hope this video has been helpful to you in tackling this common issue. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Like this video if you found it informative, and drop a comment below to share your own password mishap story with us. Remember, we're all in this together.